and welcome. Let's kick off our confidence journey by getting clear on the basics. You have probably heard the terms confidence and self-esteem thrown around a lot. But what do they really mean and how are they actually different? Well, think of confidence as your belief in your ability to handle specific situations. It's that feeling of, I have got this, when it comes to giving a presentation, trying a new skill, or asking someone out for a coffee. Self-esteem, whereas on the other hand, is your overall sense of worth or value as a person. It's that deep-seated feeling that you're fundamentally good enough, deserving of love and respect. Why is this distinction so important? Because strong self-esteem provides a solid foundation for confidence to flourish. When you truly believe in your worth, it's easier to tackle challenges knowing that no matter the outcome, you're still a valuable individual. But it's also possible to have confidence in specific areas yet struggle with low self-esteem overall. Imagine a talented artist who's confident showcasing their work but deep down doesn't feel worthy of love. This is why our course will address both confidence and self-esteem. So guys, here is a quick exercise. Think about an area of your life where you feel confident or allows you to feel that way. Is it specific skills you have? Past successes? Support from others? Now, think of a situation where you lack confidence. What's missing there actually? So guys, our goal over the next few lectures is to pinpoint both the strengths you already have and the areas where your confidence might be a little shaky. Armed with this understanding, we can then build a truly rock-solid sense of self-trust that encompasses many aspects of your life. Buckle up because this is where things get exciting.